Good morning, friends. This morning we are going to publish our real narrative that we've been working on. You should have already have edited it with a partner, and you should be ready for a final copy in the publishing stage. We are going to publish our narratives digitally using our Chromebook. And so if you go to your classroom like I am here, you're going to find the first assignment is Real Narrative Publishing. It says use the copy below to publish your writing. If you don't click on this to use this to publish your writing, I'm not going to get your published work and I'm not going to be able to score it appropriately. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to click on this. And it's going to take you to a Google Doc that is blank. Now the first thing you'll need to do since you're publishing a narrative is you'll need to put a title on your narrative. So if my title was My Baking Experience, I have my title. Now if you notice in a title, each word is capitalized. Also, with a title, it should also be underlined. What I'm doing is I'm selecting my text that is my title and clicking the U underline. You could also press Control U. Now, titles are also centered on essays. So if you look here, we have a left align, a center align, and a right align. I'm going to click center. And because I want my title to pop, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than the rest of my text. I'm going to make it size 14 instead of size 11. Click on the back end of your title text to unselect, and then press return or enter. Now if you see, your cursor is still centered. So what you're going to have to do is click left align. One more thing you need to do before you start typing is I want you to make it double spaced. To do that, you'll come over to the line spacing tool, click it, and you see there is single, 1.15, 1.5, and double. We're going to click on double. It didn't look like it made a change, but as you start to type, you'll see the change that it makes. Now remember, we need to indent the first line of any paragraph, and especially the first line of the essay before we begin typing. So if you just hit the tab button, you see my cursor moved over about ½ inch. I can begin typing here. Now, whoops, you notice something. I forgot to take off the underline. I can backspace and take off the underline, or I could have selected it and taken off the underline. Now, you are going to copy over your written narrative after all the edits are made onto your final copy that is typed. I won't be able to see your written narrative until I grade. I will only see your typed copy. So your typed copy is the one that's going to have most of the grading done. The only thing I'm going to look at the written copy for is to see that you edited or that you revised things in your paper. So now that you know how to publish your essay, go ahead and finish typing and publish your narrative. You have the rest of this round and next round to do so. And don't forget to subscribe.